welcome to day 4 of the Amazing Space workshop. Today we'll be talking about how to create your own design concept. To create a design concept, we will be implementing everything we learned from the past videos. By now you have discovered your design style, you created a color palette, and you know how to infuse personality into your space. Now it's time to combine everything to create a design concept. When you have a design direction for your space, it makes shopping for your home much easier. Your design concept acts as a roadmap when you are decorating your house. When I'm working with a client, I propose a design concept board, which is my vision of the space. A design concept board includes inspiration photos, a color palette, and pictures of furniture and ideas of fabrics. It's a way to communicate my design vision for the space. Here's an example of a concept board that I designed. Today's homework will be to create your own concept board, which includes one inspiration photo or a few of some rooms that you admire, and your color palette that you have already created, and some images of furniture that you like that fit your design style. To create your own concept board, I like to use PowerPoint, but feel free to use whatever program that is easiest for you. Some great programs that I like to use are Canva and PicMonkey, so you can make a design collage. Basically, the idea is to put all your inspiration and ideas on one page. Don't forget to share your design concept in the group. I would love to see your ideas. Thank you for participating in the Amazing Space workshop. I hope you enjoyed this experience and that you are inspired to decorate your home.